Hello, my friends. Start Paradigm. I have an unboxing for you. This one, I don't know how to approach this. The company that I buy a lot of my LGT sabers from, it's an Etsy store. It's called Aegis Sabers, and he tends to sell hilts that are a little bit different and unique, Canon hilts. But this one's actually one of the hilts that a lot of the other companies like Crimson Dawn, Fire Sabers, yada yada yada, they're sort of carrying this one. But I don't know. I buy my sabers from him. The only thing is, for some reason, when I put the video up, if I try to monetize it, it gets demonetized, and it has something to do with the word Aegis. I think that's the common denominator. I don't know why. It is very annoying. It is vexing. But I don't know. What are you gonna do? We'll see what happens this time. Maybe this will be a different story. So I received a package via DHL. Naturally, saber came from China, and that's the most common mode of transportation for those. Now, I don't want to show off addresses. This is one of those box situations where, let's see if I can do this in a creative way. Kind of came in a box like this, and so this is just sort of a small-ish saber. I thought it looked pretty darn cool. I like smaller sabers, little eloquent things. Simple. I like simple. If you know anything about me, I crave simple. The world is a complex and brutal place, and a little bit of simplicity goes a long, long way. And there you go. So I think I've managed to free this. Okay, so I can get this box off of here without revealing anything. Alright. And I will just chuck it over there. Anything on here? No. Okay, cool. So here we are. This is my box. So what's inside? Usual mishmash. Blade, pack of goodies, and the actual hilt. So let's just focus on the hilt. Why not, right? Why not be unique? There we go. And of course, as everyone loves, the blade is covered in this cellophane crap. Yay! All right. Okay, that's gonna stay on, I guess. So yeah, goodie bag. It has instructions, extra blade retention screws, whatever, all that stuff. And here is the hilt. And this is a neat little thing, isn't it? The only thing I'm concerned about is the blade holder, because it looks like it's the same blade holder that is on another hilt that I have, and it's not very deep. You can see it's not very deep, but it might. I don't think it's the same style. Now this is interesting. This has some etching here, and let's see. Now I'm assuming 316 is some kind of religious thing. I'm an atheist, so not that that matters, but I don't do religion, but I still find it fascinating, and I would like to know what that means. But It is cool. I mean, this has a this is very much acid etched. I wasn't expecting that. It has a very tactile feel to it, and I like the simplicity of this. I really do. It's it's very neat. It's kind of weird. This is like haven't a clue how the blade is gonna stay in there. None whatsoever. Yeah, okay. Weird. Sounds like a around here. Doot, 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 doot. There's one blade retention screw there. So it seems to me like, now, let's get situated here. This is gonna be really a weird situation. I should have brought a smaller blade. This is a 36-inch blade. Way too long for a tiny little hilt like this. So let's peel the blade like a banana. Yes, we have no bananas. We have no bananas today. Is that it? Did I get it all? Yeah, I guess I got it all. Alright. Now, how does this work? How is this going to work? Alright, so let me show you the rest of this thing. This pretty cool grip section here. That's pretty comfortable. And there's your pommel. See what the speaker situation looks like. Whoop. Naturally. Where did you go? I'll be back. There it is. Okay. Get a fustercluck of this whole thing. There's the speaker. Not bad. Not bad. Probably lost a timing shim down there somewhere, but oh well. Now, how does one put this together? Let us proceed with the procedure. That is not the one. That is one. That is the one. Well, the other Saber I just unboxed, which you saw yesterday. Yeah, this is going smoothly. Very smoothly. There we go. What? Okay, that's interesting. Okay. There. So I found a blade retention screw. You can't see it. It's in my hand. Tiny little thing. What I want to know is what are all these screws about? You see them? I have no idea what any of this is about. Very strange. Okay. So this is one of the weirdest setups. So, okay, get that in here. That's as far as it goes. Look at this. That's it. Where my thumb is. So about 1.5 inches. And I don't remember what the saber is called. What Aegis Sabers is calling it. But by the time I put the video together, then I'll have looked it up, and you'll know before I do, because I don't remember. I don't even know why they named these things anymore. They're so mass produced. The same hilt being sold by 15 different companies that you know of. Each one has a different name. All of them variations of the same thing. We're running out of verbs to call things, and adverbs and names. And I did. There is one saber the LGT produces that's just given a number. I like that. I think they should be just numbered from now on. I might be just too damn tired for this. Please, just cooperate, please. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Yeah, this is just about the dumbest blade holder ever. Oh, okay. So there's another blade retention screw hole there. So that actually will help. Y'all just waiting for me to turn this thing on, aren't you? Alright. Good enough. So, there we go. Let's turn this thing on. See what this is all about. Ah, it has juice. Nice. Oh. No smooth swing. Great.
Ray Skywalker.
I've been waiting for this day for a long time. General Kenobi.
Count Dooku. I'm Cal Kestis.
The Force is with you, young Skywalker.
But you are not a Jedi yet.
We'll stay with this. So what do y'all think? Not too bad. Very comfortable in the hand. Definitely a shoto size, but you know, as with most sabers, two hands will work. None of this is sharp. Not like the not like this thing where everything's sharp on that. This is not sharp at all. The anodizing is good quality, no blemishes. The finish on this is I like the finish on this. I like the cut of this. This is a really nice cut. Now, the thing is this part, you know, kind of screws on. So I can see this getting loose, but since you've got a blade retention screw on each side, that goes a long way. And the way they seem to be equidistant on each side of the hilt, that might balance out the weight a little bit. I'm gonna put a 32-inch blade on here, and I think that'll probably really help in the end. But even with the 36, this doesn't feel that bad. I'm just, like I said, I'm afraid that this is gonna shimmy and come loose, but so far it's not too bad. Is that smooth swing? I can't even tell. It may be. I think it is.
You have something I want.
I've gotten so used to CFX and Profi that
Ray Skywalker.
I honestly
I've been waiting for this day for a long time. General Kenobi.
I think it is smooth swing. It's just sort of performing very oddly. Yeah, it's just this generation of board. It's definitely smooth swing, but not quite as responsive as what I'm used to from one of these. Still, it's a very, very nice hill. I'm actually quite pleased with this thing. Yeah. Anyway, so let me know what you think in the comments. And I will put a link in the description to this particular help. Now, this was only like $100. It was on sale, but you know these things tend to be kind of more or less permanently on sale. But you know, for $100, I don't think this is too bad. If someone can let me know in the vernacular of religiosity what 316 means, I don't. I don't know. I'm assuming it's a biblical verse of some sort. But then I could be wrong. This could be like a Star Wars related thing. But why would they would have to put a biblical verse on a lightsaber? I don't know. But to each their own. It doesn't prevent me from enjoying it. I do. It's weird. I like these little cuts you have here. It's an odd affectation. It was loud enough. Yeah, not too bad. So yeah, the latest from Aegis Sabers, and yeah. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions, like I said, hit me up in the comments, and I shall answer them to the best of my ability. In the meantime, I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of the week. It's only Monday. I feel like that was enough. But there's only 4 more days. Only 4. So yeah. Mm. So may the force be with you, and I will catch y'all in the next video. You take care, and bye.